A very important update for all Bloom miners. This is very important to all of us mining Bloom right now because things are changing rapidly with this very ecosystem, especially in the Web3 space. The Bloom team are really working hard, bringing in new update that I'm going to show to you, and reason why these updates matter to us, all of us that is mining this very airdrop. The Bloom team is not just another team that we see out there, especially in this very play to earn ecosystem, that want to collect money off the table from miners and move away to the next project. They have all it takes when it comes to this very kind of stuff. And reason why I am personally betting hard on Bloom and taking my mining seriously. My mining is ongoing 24 hours. And the reason why you need to take your mining seriously is because the Bloom team, they have the tech, they have the experience, they have the expertise, and they have been engaging with the community, and with just a little ton transaction all known. And this is very important right now because it is not a platform that you usually use ton transaction to complete quest and some stuff like that. It is absolutely free if you want to do it just without spending a single dollars. So in this video, let's talk about this very urgent update and why it is important to us as miners, price prediction for Bloom, and the new quest that you need to complete right now with the Bloom ecosystem. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. So if you come to the Bloom mini app on Telegram, and I believe you are mining aggressively all the way because this very airdrop is going to definitely pay out. I am very sure of that. And I am not saying you should put in all your money, but the simple truth is if you are mining this airdrop for free, that is, you are not spending any dollars, then that means it's going to pay off. Even though if you can get the least 200 to 400 token, I am very sure that something reasonable above $100 is going to come out of this very token. The most important update right here is if you go to this very area which you have Memepad. I've been talking about this Memepad for a very long time. You see, when a new technology want to comes out like this, nobody know how the tech is going to revolve and reshape the very space that this tech is going to come in, especially in the meme ecosystem. If you look at it, the Memepad is a place that you can launch your meme token directly on Telegram. That means you can mint it, launch it, and add liquidity, and people can trade it directly on Telegram. This is crazy because no team have done this kind of stuff. So it is an innovative technology that the Bloom team is bringing on board. Reason why you need to take the Bloom token very seriously. Not only that, we are already in the bull market. What does this mean? It means a lot of liquidity flowing into the crypto space. It means that the Web3 ecosystem is going to have a lot of liquidity flow into it as well. So major projects that have significant and good use case, for example, Bloom in this case, for example, the Memepad, is going to have a significant increase all the way to the upside. And this is why you need to consider Bloom as one of your top mining right now as we await the announcement for listing probably before the end of this year. And this is very important. One other thing right here is if you come to this very end section, you look at right here Galactica. Okay, so you have to complete this very quest by opening the quest right here and complete this very task. Once you do that, you will get 1000 Bloom token as indicated right here. So 1000 BP plus will be added to your balance once you complete this. And this is very important. I've not done this, but I'm going to do it. I've done others, and this is what you need to do right now to get this very plus 1000 BP. And this is what you need to jump on and do right away. Another important thing right here is if you come to gate.io, we already know that the Bloom total supply is going to be 100 billion. If you notice before now, you discover that the Bloom pre-market price was 0.004. Why is it now 0.007? The answer is very, very simple. If you look at Bitcoin, have increased all the way from $65,000 to $81,000. It means more liquidity is coming into the crypto space, and every other coin is pumping all the way to the upside. Then Bloom will not be an exception, especially when it come on board on live market. So pre-market price have moved from 0.004 to 0.007, as you can see right here. What that means is market is going to also move a little bit to the upside as we await that very listing. What this also means to us as miners is that this token is going to do very well, especially in the heat of the bull market. Reason why you need to mine so that you can have a good quantity of this very token. My price prediction for the Bloom token is very, very simple. We already know that we are going to have 100 billion of this very token into circulation. I am still looking at the price to be 0.304. That is where I am expecting, with a market capitalization of $40 million, because we already know that from recent Web3 projects, the market cap have been between $30 million and $100 million. And Bloom should not be an exception, even though we are expecting something beautiful from the Bloom team during listing. So expect this market to start from $40 million as market capitalization at listing, and the market can go a little bit upward. That is why I am looking at 0.001. Okay, so $100 million is also a possibility. Like I always said, don't overshoot your target. Don't over expect from the Bloom team, because things can go south, things can go the other way around. So to be on a safe side, you need to consider this very price to start with 0.004. So with 0.004, you can use this 0.304 to do your calculation for whatever allocation that will be given to you for the final allocation when the Bloom will do that. And this is what we need to consider right now. I am not saying Bloom cannot do more than this. The possibility is there, especially in the heat of the bull market. Market can do 0.202, which will give us a $200 million market capitalization. The possibility is there, or even to 0.203, which is a $300 million market capitalization. But you need to keep your expectation a little bit low at 0.304 with a $40 million market capitalization, and use this so that if things go a little bit up north, you will be in the right direction of your prediction and not over expecting. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now as we begin to see the Bloom pre-market price surge all the way to the upside. I'm expecting before the Bloom listing, this should hit a 0.009 or a 0.01, and this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, and pay attention to your mining. The most important thing right now is for you to come to the Bloom mini app and take your mining seriously. Pay attention to the mining, play the drop game right here, and ensure that you log in to get this very drop pass. So it is a drop pass that you use in playing the drop game. You already know that, and move your Bloom balance all the way to the next level. Have a target so that when this very token come to major exchange or go live, you should be in the right direction of moving the token all the way to the upside, because definitely as Bitcoin begin to pump all the way to $100,000, this very token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. And pay attention to this right now, because it's very, very important. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.